Hi, my name is James Ngoi. I am an animator. I am a music producer, video editor. I'm also a 3D modeler, and currently I'm working for Mara TV as an animator. I also edit videos which are showcased on the Mara TV. From Mara TV, I've been able to get my work showcased on the Mara TV platform, which can then be viewed by people from all walks of life, from all corners of the world, and that makes me proud of my work. And having self-taught myself, it's very inspiring for me. My skill set has also increased because I can be able to access resources, learning materials, which I then use to advance my skills. It has been a very the journey itself has been great. I've also met people from different backgrounds, career-wise, which has sort of increased or enhanced my social skills and even my knowledge base about the industry as a whole. If you have a decent smartphone and you have a skill, if you can act, if you can sing, if you can animate, my advice to you would be take this chance, this opportunity, record yourself, shoot, take videos of your friends or yourself, upload them to the Mara TV platform, because your work will have a global audience. You can have, there's a great pool of potential clientele who can sort of open up your career and you can start earning right from home.